this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to acknowledge as well the head of the Metro, Sir John Fuerzas. We have our MPRO officer. We have Ma'am Imelda Villas. Ma'am, thank you so much. We also have our GSO, Sir Ray Hachanova. Our MPDO, Engineer Florencio Haukulan. Municipal Treasurer's Office, King Vincent Badalona. DILG MLGOO, Conrad Capitania. We have our MSWDO, Ma'am Lourdes Bongkowil. The head of the IBs, we have Honorable Felipe Sabala. Of course, our Lai Alejo Asenas. Our SK Federated President, Honorable Milvin Lumakad, and our Liga ng Kabarangay, Honorable